Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to dive into the top 5 best support ticket systems in 2025. If you want to make your customer service faster and your support process easier, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 amazing platforms that not only simplify ticket management, but also leverage cutting-edge automation and AI technology to make your customer support more effective. So let's get started. First off, we have Freshdesk by Freshworks. It's super popular because it's easy to use and makes managing customer support tickets simple. The first thing you'll notice is how clean and user-friendly the interface is. You can quickly create, organize, and assign tickets without any hassle, which is awesome if you want to get started fast without spending hours learning the system. Plus, Freshdesk lets you handle emails, social media messages, live chats, and phone calls all in one place. This saves you time and makes sure no customer request gets missed. What really makes Freshdesk stand out is its smart automation and self-service tools. For example, if a customer has a common question, the system can automatically send them to a knowledge base article. This helps reduce the number of tickets your team needs to handle, so they can focus on more complex issues. On top of that, Freshdesk integrates with tons of other tools like Slack, Salesforce, and Trello, so your workflow stays connected and seamless. Next up is Zendesk, a big name in the world of support ticket systems. It's well known for its multi-channel support, which means your team can handle customer questions from almost anywhere. Email, chat, social media, even text messages. What's great is that Zendesk puts all of these conversations into one place, so it's easier to manage. This helps your team respond quicker and gives you a clear picture of how your customer service is doing. On top of that, Zendesk's AI-powered routing system is a real game changer. It looks at incoming tickets and automatically sends them to the right agent based on things like urgency, ticket history, or who's available. This cuts down on manual work and makes sure important issues get handled first. Plus, Zendesk has in-depth reporting tools to track key metrics like first response time, resolution rate, and customer satisfaction. The only downside is that it's a bit pricier than some other options. But for many businesses, time and efficiency it saves make it totally worth it. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. Our third pick is Zoho Desk, a great choice if you're looking for smart AI help. It's super popular with small and medium businesses because it's affordable and still packed with useful features. What really makes Zoho Desk stand out is its AI assistant, Zia. Zia can figure out the context behind customer questions, tag tickets automatically, analyze customer emotions, and even suggest ways to solve common problems. This means your team can find the info they need faster, resolve tickets quicker, and keep customers happy. Plus, Zoho Desk brings all your customer support channels into one place, just like Zendesk, but at a lower cost, which is awesome for businesses on a budget. It also has great automation tools. For example, you can set up workflows to send tickets to the right team based on specific rules. And it works seamlessly with other Zoho tools and third-party apps like Slack, so all your customer data stays connected. In short, if you want a ticket system with AI smarts that's easy on the wallet, Zoho Desk is a fantastic option. Now let's talk about ServiceNow, our fourth pick, which is great for big companies managing IT services. ServiceNow isn't just another ticketing system, it's a full IT service management, or ITSM, platform that supports everything an enterprise might need. What really makes it stand out is its automation. For example, when a customer submits a ticket, ServiceNow not only sends it to the right team, but can also kick off automated workflows for things like solving problems, fixing incidents, or even managing changes. One of its biggest strengths is scalability. It's built to handle a lot of complex tickets, making it perfect for companies with large IT setups. Plus, it comes with advanced analytics and reporting tools that give you detailed insights into your IT operations. This helps you make processes smoother and improve performance over time. That said, all of this power does come with a bit of extra effort to learn and a higher price tag. But if you're a big organization that needs a reliable, scalable solution and you're ready to invest in it for the long term, ServiceNow is a good option. Finally, we have Live Agent, a great choice for businesses that need strong multi-channel communication. Live Agent makes it easy to handle support across email, live chat, social media, and even phone calls. What makes it stand out is how it pulls all customer conversations into one simple, easy-to-use inbox. This way, your team won't miss a single message, no matter where it comes from. What I really like about Live Agent is its mobile app. It lets your support agents stay connected and respond to tickets on the go, which is super useful in today's fast-moving world. Plus, it offers lots of ways to customize workflows to fit your business needs. Its automation tools also cut down on repetitive tasks, so your team can spend more time solving tougher issues. If you're looking for an easy-to-use ticketing system with a strong multi-channel support, Live Agent is definitely worth considering. So there you have it, guys, the top 5 best support ticket systems in 2025. In this video, we covered Freshdesk by Freshworks, Zendesk, Zoho Desk, ServiceNow, and Live Agent. Each one has its own features to make your customer support easier and more efficient. We looked at how these tools work for different business sizes, whether you need something simple, smart automation, or powerful system for bigger companies. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. We're all about breaking down the best tools to help your business grow. Your support means a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.